Title: Exploring Newton's Laws. A Layman's Guide to Motion. Chapter 1. Introduction to Motion. In the bustling city of Sunnyvale, where cars zip by and people hurry along sidewalks, motion is everywhere. It's in the swaying of trees in the breeze, the rolling of bicycles down streets, and the flight of birds overhead. In this chapter, readers are introduced to the concept of motion and its ubiquity in our daily lives. Through vivid descriptions and relatable examples, the fundamental nature of motion is explored, setting the stage for an enlightening journey through the world of physics. Chapter 2. Newton's first law, the law of inertia. Newton's first law of motion, also known as the law of inertia, states that an object at rest will remain at rest, and an object in motion will remain in motion unless acted upon by an external force. To illustrate this concept, readers are invited to join a series of experiments conducted by our protagonist Alex. From rolling balls down ramps to pushing toy cars across surfaces, Alex demonstrates how inertia governs the behavior of objects in motion, laying the foundation for understanding Newton's laws. Chapter 3. Newton's second law, the law of acceleration. With the basics of inertia covered, it's time to delve into Newton's second law of motion, the relationship between force, mass, and acceleration. Through a series of hands-on experiments using everyday objects like books, carts, and rubber bands, readers explore how changes in mass and force affect an object's acceleration. As they observe the effects of applying varying amounts of force to different objects, the principles behind Newton's second law come to life, providing insights into the dynamics of motion. Chapter 4. Newton's third law, the law of action and reaction. As our journey through motion continues, readers encounter Newton's third law of motion, the law of action and reaction. Through interactive demonstrations and real-life examples, they learn how every action has an equal and opposite reaction, shaping the dynamics of motion in our world. From bouncing balls to rocket launches, the interconnectedness of forces becomes apparent, highlighting the importance of understanding Newton's laws in everyday life. Chapter 5. Applying Newton's laws in everyday life. In this chapter, readers discover how Newton's laws of motion influence various aspects of their everyday lives. From the physics of car accidents to the mechanics of sports activities like soccer and baseball, the practical applications of Newton's laws are explored through relatable scenarios and real-world examples. Through engaging discussions and thought-provoking questions, readers gain insights into how these fundamental principles govern the world around them, empowering them to better understand and navigate their daily experiences. Chapter 6. Conclusion and reflection. As our exploration of motion draws to a close, readers are invited to reflect on the importance of Newton's laws and their impact on our understanding of the physical world. Through engaging discussions and thought-provoking questions, they are encouraged to consider how the principles of motion shape their perceptions and interactions with the world around them. With a newfound appreciation for the beauty and simplicity of physics, readers leave with a deeper understanding of motion and the role it plays in our lives. Exploring Newton's Laws. A Layman's Guide to Motion offers readers an accessible and engaging introduction to the principles of motion, providing insights into the fundamental forces that govern the world around us. Through vivid descriptions, relatable examples, and hands-on experiments, readers embark on a captivating journey through the world of physics, unlocking the secrets of motion with Newton as their guide. Chapter 7. Further explorations in motion. As readers journey deeper into the world of physics, they discover additional facets of motion beyond Newton's laws. Topics such as circular motion, projectile motion, and the conservation of momentum are explored through captivating demonstrations and engaging experiments. Through these explorations, readers gain a more comprehensive understanding of the intricate dynamics of motion and how they manifest in various real-world scenarios. Chapter 8. The role of friction. Friction, the force that opposes motion between surfaces in contact, plays a crucial role in our everyday lives. In this chapter, readers delve into the concept of friction and its effects on objects in motion. Through interactive experiments involving surfaces of different textures and materials, readers observe firsthand how friction influences the behavior of moving objects. From the squeaky wheels of a shopping cart to the grip of sneakers on pavement, the impact of friction becomes palpable, providing valuable insights into its role in our physical world. Chapter 9. Exploring gravity. Gravity, the force that pulls objects toward one another, is a fundamental aspect of motion that shapes the behavior of celestial bodies and everyday objects alike. In this chapter, readers uncover the mysteries of gravity and its influence on motion on Earth and beyond. Through captivating demonstrations involving falling objects, pendulums, and planetary orbits, readers gain a deeper appreciation for the role of gravity in our universe. From the graceful arc of a thrown ball to the majestic dance of planets around the sun, the effects of gravity are omnipresent, shaping the fabric of space and time. Chapter 10. The unifying power of Newton's laws. As readers reflect on their journey through the world of motion, they come to appreciate the unifying power of Newton's laws. These timeless principles, rooted in observation and experimentation, provide a framework for understanding the complex interactions of forces and motion in our universe. From the simplicity of objects at rest to the complexity of celestial mechanics, Newton's laws serve as a guiding light, illuminating the mysteries of motion and inspiring curiosity and exploration. As readers bid farewell to their journey, they carry with them a newfound appreciation for the beauty and elegance of physics, along with the confidence to continue their explorations into the fascinating realm of motion. Exploring Newton's laws. A Layman's Guide to Motion offers readers a captivating journey through the fundamental principles of physics, providing a comprehensive understanding of motion and its implications in our everyday lives. Through engaging descriptions, relatable examples, and hands-on experiments, readers embark on an enlightening adventure that unlocks the secrets of motion and inspires a lifelong passion for learning and discovery. Join us on this transformative journey and explore the wonders of motion with Newton as your guide.